Hello friends. Today we will teach you the concept of PID controller. And we will also discuss its interview questions. First of all, we have to understand what is PID controller. PID stands for proportional, integral and derivative. It is a control loop that regulates the process and maintains it at the desired set point. Now, let's look at proportional, integral, and derivative functions, one by one. First, let's look at the proportional means, P action. For P action, we use a proportional gain that controls current or present error. As the error increases, the output also increases. By doing so, it moves the system closer to the set point. A steady state error remains in the P action. Next is integral means I action. In integral action, we control the accumulated error. When the error persists, the integral action allows us to accumulate the error and adjust the output. This minimizes the steady state error. The steady state error which remained in P action, it reduces in I action or becomes zero. Now let's understand derivative. Derivative means D action. In D action, we control the rate of response of the system. If the response is too fast, the D action will dampens or reduces the response so that the overshoot is less. The derivative action also improves stability. Now let us see the equation of PID controller. The equation of PID output is PID output equals Kp multiplied by error plus Ki multiplied by sum of errors plus Kd multiplied by rate of change of error. This equation helps us to calculate the output. Now let us see the application of PID controller. PID controllers are used in many applications, like temperature control, motor speed control, level control, pressure control, and many more. Now let's look at PID tuning. PID tuning is very important for an efficient controller. In this, the Kp, Ki, and Kd values have to be set correctly. Meaning, setting the values of Kp, Ki and Kd is the tuning of the PID controller. You can also say that to improve system stability and performance. So friends, PID controller is a very powerful tool in control system. Now let us see some PID controller interview questions and their answers. The first question may be, what is PID tuning? The answer would be, PID tuning is the process of setting the PID controller's Kp, Ki, and Kd values. Correct tuning improves system stability and performance. Next question is, how is PID controller used? The main functions of PID controller are temperature control, motor speed control, level control, and other industrial applications. Next question is, what are the types of response of PID controller? There are two types of response to a PID controller: under-damped response and over-damped response. The system overshoots in under-damped response, whereas in over-damped response, the system does not overshoot. The next question would be like this: what are the advantages of PID controller? The advantages of PID controller are precise control, fast response, stability, and robustness. Next question is, what is the difference between PID controller and on-off controller? PID controller provides continuous control, while on-off controller provides discrete control. PID controller gives precise and smooth control, while on-off controller switches to on or off state. I hope these questions are helpful to you. Apart from these, some other questions are also asked. For example, what is PID controller? What is proportional action? What is integral action? What is derivative action? What is the equation of PID controller? So guys, you can easily answer these questions too. Thank you for watching.